Yo, I just made crazy bank faster than a Solana transaction confirms. Seriously insane. This felt like stumbling upon the legendary crypto cheat code. Ready to get these kind of results? Don't even think about looking away. I'm about to lay out my entire winning strategy. Look, I've torched so much time and hard-earned crypto on MemeCoins that did absolutely nothing. But ever since I discovered this strategy and started hustling with it daily, it's been a complete game changer. My profits are up 5-fold. Seriously. The name of the game is repetition. That's the core principle of the method I'm about to unveil. Let me walk you through the system. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's chat launch strategy. If you're eyeing pump.fun as the starting gun, that's jumping the shark a bit. We gotta sort out this key element before we proceed. Alright, so, boot up Photon and check out the pump.fun DEX filter. You'll see a new wave of meme coins hitting the market like every 60 seconds. You got coins like Blink and Solpoly launching and then immediately doing a nosedive. The real issue? Pump.fun is just packed with straight-up garbage coins because launching there is so brain-dead easy. Now fire up that Radium DEX filter and just watch the magic happen. Only 14 token listings in 8 minutes? That's telling you something big. Now peep these stats. Tight liquidity spreads, clean price action, volume curves looking like a one-way ticket to the moon. The catch? Only the real deal devs can launch their projects here. That's why this is our playground. Keep those eyes peeled, and I'll show you how it all connects. Listen to this. Launchtool just straight up demolished all the barriers. Now even the biggest noob can launch a Radium token without writing a single line of code. Just point and click your way to a real coin in minutes. I've been grinding this strat nonstop, and the returns. We're talking profits that are just straight up disrespectful. They're so good. We're gonna whip up the logo using Canva, by the way. You should either check out what's hot right now or pick something that really vibes with you. For me, I found this killer logo just by doing a super fast image search. Dog memes have been popping up everywhere for me recently, so I'm going with this legendary dancing dog meme. That's how I'm rolling. Now that you're in Canva, just drag and drop your logo there, and double check that the size is 128 by 128 pixels. Give it a little touch up if it looks off, and then hit that save button. That's pretty much all there is to it. Super simple. Back on launchtool.io. Step 1. Gotta hook up your Phantom wallet, just like I'm showing you. For the token deets, we're going with Dancing Dog for the name and D-Dog for the symbol. Feel free to write something cool in the description, but I'm gonna pass this time. Find that killer logo you got, upload it, and hit next to keep the ball rolling. Any decimal points or crypto numbers you spot, hands off. Keep them precisely as they are. Just tap next and we'll jump to the next section. Listen up. Verifying the creator will set you back 0.1 Solana. Your call if you want to spend extra. But I'm keeping my Solana locked up tight. That stuff's fire. Just tap skip and let's keep this momentum going. Regarding social media links, you can pop in your website or your Twitter account if you want. A good little extra, but not crucial, because Radium will whip up all the streams you require. So just tap skip, and let's continue. Fam, listen closely. Security settings, this is crucial. Yeah, you save a measly 0.3 Solana by turning these off, but it's a surefire way to lose investor confidence. Savvy investors always verify if freezing and minting are locked. Ignoring this is like wearing a scam artist t-shirt. My advice? Keep it locked up and smash that Launch My Token Now button. Alright, tap that confirm button in your crypto wallet. Give it a few moments and boom, your token is out in the open. You did it. Congrats. Just checked our coin on that SolScan link, and sure enough, it's officially up and running on the Solana network. Now let's get this token moving. Jump back over to launchtool.io and click that Create Liquidity Pool button. That'll teleport you to Radium where you can set up the liquidity pool. Let's make some waves. Let's get this party started by making your meme token the base asset. Snag that contract address from launchtool.io, copy it, and drop it into Radium. Put D-Dog for the symbol and use Dancing Dog for the name. And execute that add user token to get it officially registered. About that sweet liquidity, if you started with 1 billion tokens, toss a cool 900 million into the liquidity pool. And for the trading pair? Gotta roll with Solana. It's the OG coin on its own blockchain. You know the deal. Alright fam, when you're adding Solana, tap max and then subtract 0.2 Solana. That'll take care of the fees and give you a little breathing room. Set that fee tier to 2%. It's the golden ratio to get those potential investors interested. Game time. It all pops off when you hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Your wallet will then chime in, needing your go-ahead. This is the make or break step for real. Approve the transaction it throws at you, and shazam! Your token just hit the market and is ready to trade. Now, just open Photon, switch the filter view to Radium, and feast your eyes. Your brand new meme coin will be right there, front and center typically. That visual confirmation tells you it's live on the market and ready for action. Cool, now swing back over to launchtool.io and make sure you snag your coin's specific address. Now pop over to Deck Screener, look up basically any random coin and then just swap its address in the URL or search with yours. And bam, your coin's chart is right there, up and running, dead simple. As the pioneer here, all your plays just stack sats automatically, no effort needed. Plus, getting in this early makes the whole idea of losing kinda laughable. Time to just vibe and see your investment rocket up hard. Check the charts. Some buy and sells are already going through. This early movement? Probably just automated bots, nothing major yet. What I'm really looking for is a big fish, a whale, to jump in heavy. That's the confirmation we're actually waiting for. No stress for now though. This is just how these things usually start. Alright everyone, a couple of minutes have passed, and check this out. A $120 purchase, straight up for 0.91 Solana. And hey, take a look at the price chart and how much of our coin is available to trade. Things are looking good. We're totally on the right track. Alright team, we've seen a bunch of little buys come in, but check it. There was also a solid one for $61, that's 0.46 Solanas. And the market cap is sitting at $951 right now. Let's just hold on for a little bit longer. The vibe is definitely bullish, so let's just relax and see where this goes. Gotta trust the energy. Check it. A nice $105 buy just came through, almost 0.8 Solana, which is a really good sign. And that pushed the market cap to $1,500, which is cool, but I reckon it's a good moment to pull out for the time being. So, mission accomplished there. Next up is reclaiming your liquidity position. Stick with me, I'll break down how to do it. Alright, listen up. The initial step is to link your go-to wallet to Radium. Next, you're going to navigate to the portfolio area. Click on Standard. And just like that, you'll see your available crypto. Go ahead and hit the minus button to withdraw every single bit you've got. Verify that Solana is showing, and then confirm that transaction. That's all there is to it, seriously. You'll get a notification popping up letting you know your funds have landed in your wallet. Take a quick look and your Solana is going to be just right there. No cap, everyone. This approach is seriously on fire right now. The market's wide open. So if you're paying close attention, this could be your opportunity to nail it. And just gotta keep it 100 with you guys. I'm not officially tied to Radium, Photon, or Launchtool or anything. But if you want to double check any of this or dig deeper, all the relevant links are in the description.